Hey everybody, Chet from Larson Farms. I've been running the Sloan Express feed accelerator in this thing last fall, and I was asked to give a little bit of review what we've seen through 2025's harvest season. What we ran in black beans, soybeans, and then also in corn. Black beans, pretty easy crop to harvest. Our hope was less damage, but our crop was so suppressed from too much rain that it was kind of hard to get a good idea on. I would say definitely a better feeding during soybeans, especially when it was dewy in the morning or at night. It seemed to feed better versus the other machine running right by my side. And in corn, the biggest thing I noticed was there was no growling under the seat. That loud growl of the corn cobs going through the feed accelerator, pretty much non-existent. You hear it actually in the rotor, not underneath your seat, so it was a lot more pleasurable experience in the cab. And yeah, I guess I would suggest it for the feeding, less slug sounds coming through in soybeans and dewy green stem conditions, and a lot quieter in the cab during corn harvest. So if you guys have any interest, check out Sloan Express Feed Accelerator. I give it a thumbs up.